As y'all can see, we is getting some gas right now, man. I'm gonna put a slight dub in here though. Oh shit, you gotta pay for his Nate tweaking, y'all. You wanna put a slight dub in here. Oh, that's pumping, y'all. Y'all check out the whip. The bitch shining right now. It's shining even when it's dirty and dark. But as y'all see, that motherfucker looking pretty right now. Damn. We done put a little bit too much in here, y'all. There, and then close that, and then we finna get on with this video, man. So alright, y'all, it's your boy Nate, and as y'all can see by the thumbnail and title, I'm be showing y'all 5 mods. If y'all can see my black ass, 5 mods to do in your Charger, Challenger, your RT, your V6. A lot of these mods I don't want to see on y'all V6 though, if I'm being honest, because it don't belong on the V6. But excuse me, like I said, I'm finna show y'all 5 of the most important mods. Like these mods you better do off rip if you call yourself Mopar, man, for real though. But nah, so I'm finna get to this little spot so we can sit down and look at it. We got a Scatty in traffic. Scatty just turned off in traffic, but we finna get to the spot so I can sit down and show y'all guys what I got going on and point out the mods for y'all. But y'all just stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. On the road to a band, 1,000. And we getting there slowly but surely, but yeah, y'all, so y'all stay tuned. I'm finna park up right now. Alright, as y'all can see, man, so this is the car right here. So we got 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit. We got the wide body on it, as y'all can see, the demon hood. But I'm finna show y'all the 5 mods y'all need to do, like, as soon as you get your car, man. I got the lights just turned on too, so it's perfect. Alright, so 5 mods y'all need to do. So what I would say, mod number 1, this is with every Mopar, really any vehicle, bro. Like the first mod you want to do, get that window tint, man. So we got basically 0 on the sides, as y'all can see. We got the 5 on the back, and then on the front we got 20 right here, 5 up there, you feel me, as y'all can see. So I ain't have tints on my fronts at first. I only had tints on the sides, and I had a fucking strip, but I got tired of it, so I put 20 on the front. But I took that off, and then I put 35 on the front like it is now. That's 35, as y'all can see. Y'all can't see it. I'll show y'all again. Y'all can't see it, but that's 35 on the front. I'll show y'all what it look like from inside. See, y'all can't see in the sides, but as y'all can see, you can't really see in this bit, but you can see out real good. Like, you can see out the front, sides. Feel me? So you can definitely see in and out good, but y'all see. So I say that's the first mod. Second mod I would say is a spoiler, man. Like the spoiler really changed the look of my car. And the diffuser. So this is a spoiler, this is the diffuser. If you ain't got no Hellcat, man, you want your car to at least stand out. As y'all can see, my car already stand out just because of the wrap and everything on it. spoiler and the diffuser. That's what you want to get next. Mod number 3. As I told you, this was a narrow body police car, so it didn't have a wide body. So if you in a narrow body wave right now, man, mod number 3 is get you a wide body, man. My wide body I put on myself, not perfect, but as y'all can see, it definitely look clean. So these up here, they usually on there real good, but as y'all can see down here is almost like OEM. On the front, it came already on there, so we didn't have to do too much with that. Also at the back, these are on there for sure, but like right on the body, not like perfect, but as y'all can see, it is on there. This one right here broke a little bit, and also this one had flew off once, so I had to get another one. So when it flew off, it broke off the back one because these are connected, and that's why that one is like that. But it still look good. You won't notice unless you come up. Got the body lines, and then the back one came with the wide body already attached. And this is vice red. So yeah, man, that'd be number 3. I would say like the 3rd mod for sure to get for it. But with number 4, like this is really like an essential mod to get. I'm gonna close that real quick. This mod is like really essential. So we're gonna pop the hood and turn the lights on, you feel me? And not just that light, we're gonna turn these lights on, then we're gonna start the car so we can show y'all the 4th mod that you need for your Mopar, which is star lights. You feel me? We got them going. I did these myself. I try to put glow right here if y'all can tell. Try to say glow. I got a heart over here. And got lights under that bit. I got a light behind that bit. So they in the wheels. You see they all changing too. So I got them in the wheels. I got them in the headlights. I got them in the hood. I got them when you open the hood. You see, got them when you open the hood. And I also got them in the vents, but right now they're unplugged, so I have to plug those back in to show y'all. But y'all probably see them in a different video anyway, if y'all ain't seen them before. We got the under. Y'all see it's changing colors. At nighttime, this thing look crazy, y'all. And these are all controlled off of my phone, so I can change them on my phone. So like lights is the 4th thing I would say you need to get, like as a mod. And these are in no specific order. But the last mod, man, like I was saying, like wide body for sure. But you can go without a hood. Like I went without a hood. That's up to you. I got a hood. I'm not gonna put that in there as like a mod you need to get. But for the last mod, I would say is, and this one is for sure, we gotta step inside. I'm gonna put y'all back here real quick though, so y'all can hear it. As y'all can see, as y'all can hear as well, we're gonna go here and pull off because that was the last mod, which is a muffler delete, man. So you can just get a muffler delete, which is just like the borderline, like just basic, just to get your car to sound good. Basically unlock it, what I call it, to unlock that sound, man, is just a muffler delete, which is the mid. So you would go in and say like, yo, muffler shop, and just ask for a mid muffler delete. You can do this on a V6, V8 ain't gonna sound the same, but you can do it on all of them. And that's just cutting off the mid mufflers, which unlocks the car to its full sound potential, man. That middle, that heart muffler, that's why your car be sounding like a fucking vacuum or a fucking, you feel me? Just trash, not like loud. But so a mid muffler delete, and then after you get the mids, you can go cut off the rear as well if you want to go for like a straight pipe. And then after that, you can also get your cats cut off. After your cats, oh shit, we almost hit somebody. After your cats, you can go fucking headers, and then after that, you're basically gonna be pushing more horsepower, more sound to that B. So you gonna fuck with it for sure. But with all that, that's gonna make your thing loud for sure, man. But yeah, so that'll be the end of this video. We at Kroger right now, finna get some groceries. So yeah, man, so that was the 5 mods you must get for your Dodge Charger, your Mopar, anything under that umbrella, things of that nature. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. If y'all got any of these mods, let me know what mods y'all got, man. I might do like a rating my subscribers car video, anything like that. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure y'all leave a like. Make sure y'all comment under this video what y'all want to see next on the channel. And yeah, y'all, I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all boys stay tuned for more content. We got lit videos on the way. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all, and we gone.
Settling, and it's like I'm booted up, and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past, like that shit even close to relevant. Get that shit in between me and you, or you gon' trip without no